Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to censor faces in DaVinci Resolve 18. Firstly, go to the color page. Open your clip in the color page. Now you need to add a mask. Use the power window tool to create a mask, like a circle around the face you want to blur. Now the important step is the tracking. In the tracking tab, hit track forward to follow the face's movement. If tracking isn't accurate, switch to frame mode for manual adjustments. Now, all you have to do is adjust your blur. Increase the blur effect in the blur tab or add the mosaic blur from the effect tab if you want a pixelated look. This should give you an effective face blur without over-complicating the process. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.